Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 X 彤。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And today, you know what? We're going to play you some music, some Hakka music. And from this Hakka music, we're going to teach you some words.
OK， 今天要为大家来介绍一首客家的歌曲，客家的歌曲就是我们的唐野乐团带来的歌曲，叫做《周盘》。
周盘，
作伴
by your side.
因为爱呀哦，爱像一样哦，一生一世总爱你周盘。
哇，所以这个是唐野乐团，是不是？
唐野乐团
OK
他们唱的一首歌曲。
其实这首歌曲呢，就讲到很多那种缠绵的话，
爱你啊
爱你啊，爱我啊，一生一世啊，哎呀。Love you forever and ever. That's what this song is all about. And so we're going to teach you some words that are derived from the song right here that you're hearing in the background. Let's teach some of the phrases that are found in this song right here. The simplest one, of course, is I love you. 我爱你。
爱爱嗯。
哦，爱爱嗯。就是如果看到一个哈卡的女生，我可能会讲错这样子。
要不然你要怎么说？
爱爱。
你爱我啊？
That's the reverse. That's you love me, not I love you. But what if I say I love you the most? 我最爱你了。
爱最爱嗯。
爱最爱嗯。
然后要讲更感动一点了，爱最爱嗯嘞。
爱最爱嗯嘞。
对。
Oh, that means I love you the most. And in this song called 周盘, that's by your side, they also talk about being together for a lifetime or for eternity, forever and ever. 要一生一世，永永远远。
一生一世。
一生一世 that means for a lifetime.
韵韵燕燕。
韵韵燕燕 that is forever and ever. Oh, okay.
然后海陆腔。
哦，海陆腔对，来教一下。
日生日水。
日是
有日的音，
哦变日的音。日生
日生
日生
日水
水
水也有日的音吗？
哦，我还是用四线腔来讲的，好像比较简单一点。一生一世，
一生一世，
一生一世，
韵韵燕燕，
韵韵燕燕。Okay, like in English, they also say forever and ever. 不是永远而已，是永永远远。对不对 All right. Well, that's a love song that we like to introduce to you and hope you learned a little bit and also enjoy the song. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么台嘎？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.